I'd been thinking to myself, you know, like if I never have an experience outside, like my really isolated community that is the East Coast, or the 2 states that I live within the East Coast, like I would just never forgive myself.
It shows when this many people are acting in concert. And like coming from America, a lot of times it's just like I gotta walk past someone who's standing in a doorway, or I don't know where I'm going, or sometimes I walk in the wrong direction on campus and I have to about face. And I'm like, when I do something like that here, I feel different.
Just how different even the customs, the cultural beliefs and everything, and just seeing like an alternate way of living, and that you don't really have to accept what is normal in your country. There were so many experiences because we were doing things from like 8 in the morning to 8 at night. We saw a lot of like ancient shrines and temples for both Buddhism and Shintoism, and a lot of elaborate like botanical gardens that are set up as just like a pastime place to relax in. And I found all of these extremely beautiful, and it was super fascinating to just see how well done and how much effort is put into preserving and upkeeping them all, and just the respect for nature that they have there and for their history is really inspiring.
Kokoro wa hitotsu ni nareru sa